DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, you already know what time it is. Yo, Dan Mafia, SAOD, man. We're back with the regular reactions, you feel me? And just a while ago, about like what, 8-10 minutes ago, Kalonji just dropped a new music video entitled Drug Lad. You already know, man, we taking a deep dive from Kalonji music, man. We just listened to Blame the other day, man. That was such a deep song, such a tragic song, you know what I'm saying? Rest in peace to his girlfriend, Bridget James, you know what I'm saying? Really dope track, man. Shout out to Kalonji, bro. I'm sorry for your loss. If you're seeing this, man, my condolences to you and your family, and to your girlfriend's family as well, man. And yeah, we're taking a deep dive into Kalonji's music, man. It's been a minute, so we start and get back on more music, man. Kalonji's such a great artist, such a dope, deep, lyrical, just conscious artist, you know what I'm saying? You can't get on in Badman vibes now, so don't get it wrong, you know what I'm saying? And we're taking a deep dive in his music, right? And it turns out we started listening to Kalonji and doing the right time, because it turns out he's dropping new music and he got new projects coming out. So it's a great time to be listening to Kalonji, man. I've been saving up my treating artists, them, you know. That's me. So if you don't wonder why I'm not see what my training artists them, they want, you know, run through them too fast. I want to take my time with my experience, man. But you don't know, for years now we are listening to reactive Trinidad dancehall, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we'll go check out this new track, the one named Drug Lad. You see me? And the one that sound like dog head at him, the one, you know, them say drug bat when they deal with it. You see me? Boy, if you dead when they are drug, you know. You see me? Say when they are drug lad, you know. Hey, he's no man. I say dog got deal with it. You see, Jack also mean scared to, you know, so don't, you know, let's see which one the dog I deal with another one, man. But this should be a fun track. So we're not even going to the vibes much longer, gang. Yo, where my comments at, man? We're not going to the vibes much longer. We're going to jump right in the track, gang. This is Kalonji. Hold on, yeah, this is Kalonji. Drug Lad. Come on, gang. This about to be fire. I know it. Let's get it.
The number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the
Lad. Yeah, the iconic Kalonji sound there. You see me, the smoothest pan the beat? Come on.
See the one chip Glock where you have like a crew gun. Drug Lad just send for the brand new one. Killing them up a ranger ship a couple try one.
Oh, that time man say the one chip Glock where you have that's a crew gun. Killer just send for the brand new gun. Now we might talk say only got a crew gun in my part.
For your killer them a dive like cars and the uses sing something like the chopper. My one a regular Draco beat sing something like Jennifer. Right. Feel so afraid of you.
Uzi sing something like Big Chopper. My one a regular no beer.
Draco beat sing something like Jennifer. Pussing the feel so afraid of you. Damn, me not care what you think. Fuck up your meds, bullet in your head, send go in a cemetery. All who feel so figure, just a wait for the.
I say me not care what you think, dog. Fuck up your meds, bullet in your head, send boy go cemetery. You get it? Me not care what you think, dog. Fuck up your meds, bullet in your head. You know what I'm saying? What? Hey, come on.
All who feel so we figure, just a wait for the right time for me.
That's a fact. Yeah, man, say yo, all who feel something forgetting, no, man. Just a wait for the soup cold in the dog. You see me make a step. Waters.
Anybody get it gonna take tough chat. Try run film life, but run out of breath. In a seat, said the boy get your nice man talk. Yo, you can run.
Bro, I just love the Trini Gold, bro. You know what I'm saying? But the man said dangerous like shark infested waters, brother. You know that dangerous? You see me boy try run out of breath, man. Look on the dog them, man. Well, full of equipment, chain up, yo.
Love that fling one in the head up. Wait, no use the comic, we use the trap. And if in front them vex, we will load up the rifle and double back. Match on them for your fun. 100 wrong in the pan jump. F-man for the wheel like a ton. My killer them.
100 round in that pan jump, you know, bro. Don't feel, hey, don't get shit twisted, you know, nigga.
100 wrong in the pan jump. F-man for
the
wheel like a ton.
Hours.
See the one chip Glock when you have that a crew gun. Drug Lad just send for the brand
new gun.
Killer them up a ranger ship a couple tall one. For your killer them a die.
Yeah, man. Yeah, my friend just send a couple tall one, brother. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Brand new shipment just come in, bro. Yeah, man. Brand new gun for go drag some boy. Hey,
one killer them up a ranger ship a couple tall one. For your killer them a dive like cars and the uses sing something like the chopper. My one a
regular
Draco beats sing something
Like
like
Jennifer. Yo, hey, on a regular dog, who's it seem like sing sweet like Jennifer? Come on. Easy. Hey. Easy. Hey, Kalonji, that's the Jamaican style where they put in the voices. You see me, they got, that's the madman who has a cuss. Hey, yeah, alright. Shout out to Kalonji, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey. And homage to Jamaica, you know what I'm saying?
We have a Drake up and boy make it smooth like Michelin tire.
Woo-hoo-hoo. We have a Drake up and boy make it smoke like Michelin tire, man. Easy, no? Like your blood clean or burn out. Come on.
We have a Drake up and boy make it smooth like Michelin tire. Boy, them shoulda never miss when them fire. None of my fiance fi my fi empire.
Wait. Is he addressing the shooting? The man say make Drake smoke like Michelin tire. Boy, they shoulda never miss when them fire. Boy, man say, yo, you shoulda kill me, no dog. You see me? Shoulda never make me leave, bro. You see me? You shoulda make all my girl dead. Hey, lamp. Hey.
No one not talking with that crime. Boy, them man safe in them mind. Everything they lay up in our face, take them life.
Hey.
Dog, me not care what you think. Fuck up your meds, bullet in your head, send boy in
the
a
cemetery. I'm like that one. I no care what you think. Bullet in the head, fuck up your meds, and boy go cemetery. Yeah, man. Kalonji.
Me not care what you think. Fuck up your meds, bullet in your head, send boy in a cemetery. All who feels that we forget, just a wait for the right time for me. Yeah, dangerous like shark infested waters. Anybody get it when I take the
Yeah, man, just a wait for the right time, man. You see me, all who forget, so we forget. But if the right time for wave it. You see me, dangerous like shark infested water. We not take talk, brother. I'm telling you, man.
Life but run out of breath in the seat. Said the boy catch an asthma attack. Yo, Juki run down that fling one in the head top. Wait, no use the comic, we use the truck.
Man say wait, don't use the car, we're gonna use the truck. You see me making go on. We're not gonna run him down. We know him, we are chuck him, you know. You see me, so we just wait, dog. We just have a chuck him blood clog and hands. We now, you see me? Yeah, man, we'll chuck up on him.
Vex, we will load up the rifle and double back. March one them for your fun. 100 wrong in the punch jump. F-man follow wheel at the tongue. My killer them are not FIFA. See the one chick.
Man say march pan them fi have fun. 100 round in the hand. Hey, in the punch jump, come here, man.
When you have that a crew gun, drug lord just send for the brand new one. Killer them up a ranger ship a couple
Dual one.
For your killer them a dive like cars and the uses sing something like the chopper. My one a regular Draco beat sing something like Jennifer.
Come on.
Puss in the field so afraid
There
of
you. No, sir. Yeah, man. My one a regular. All who forget, we are waiting for the right time for wave it. I want to you, man. Yeah, man. Bombard. Killer them just ship a couple tall one. Your killer them a dive like Tarzan. Yeah, that's crazy. Fully hit. Bombard. Easy now, man. Shout out to Kalonji, man. Yeah, man. Jag them. Yeah, man. Jag lad. Oh, please. But get jag out. Hey! Yeah, man. Shout out to Kalonji, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Kalonji doing his thing, bro. Kalonji. Hey. Bro, Kalonji. Right now, UK, man. T, man. Hey, come on, bro. Hey, man. There's a couple of artists not doing the thing, bro. Keep it up, bro. But that was dope, bro. Kalonji. And a lot of people looking for your music, G. I ain't gonna cap. A lot of people looking out for your music, so we need you to drop more, man. Blame is a beautiful track, you know what I'm saying? And now you look like you drop about new music, man. So I'm here for it. Plus we got old tracks to check out from Kalonji too, so gang. So stay tuned and look out for that. You already know what time it is, man. We lit over here. We got black coming to the channel. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Dope track. Shout out to Kalonji. Entire about what happened in Blame, or what happened to him and his girl in this song where he's like, yo, we just wait to make a step, you know. You see me? We should never miss, you know, we don't shoot. You see me? Cause yeah, my regular thing. You see me? I say, yeah, man, I say, just wait for the right time for wave it, you know. You see me? Killer them just shoot a new tall one. You see me? Your killer them gonna dive like Tarzan. You see me? I say, my one the regular. Who's the scene? Sweet like Hey, come on, man. What? Hey, man went in, gang. So let me know what you think about that one then track in the comment section. You don't know, drop your comments, drop your like, drop your emojis. Let me know where you watch it from, all that good stuff, gang. Shout out to Kalonji, man. You already know. Dope ass track, drag lad. Yeah, man. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Also, check out Discord, gang. You can send me videos over there. If you send me videos on Discord, you definitely gonna get your shout out. All that good stuff, man. So shout out to y'all, gang. Till next time, you don't know about Jambisco. Hit on smash that button. Till next time, take care of yourself and inshallah. Love you guys.